Name error. Name reduce is not defined in Python. I'm using Python 3.2. Tried this. And got the following error. Tried printing reduce into interactive console, got this error. Is reduce really removed in Python 3.2? If that's the case, what's the alternative?
It was moved to functools.
You can add before you use the reduce.
Or if you use the 6 library.
Reduce function is not defined in the Python built-in function. So first, you should import the reduce function.
If you want to support the channel,